So today we have this Bluetooth speaker that functions for various reasons. So you can use it as a FM speaker, Bluetooth, or a live speaker, which is really great. It's the first of its kind on Amazon to be used as a live speaker. So you can broadcast on TikTok, YouTube, etc. So this unit is really nice. It's made out of a sturdy plastic. It's got a large subwoofer. It's got neodymium magnets in it for great music quality. As you can maybe tell back here, it has kind of like a suitcase-like lever that you can press up on and actually haul this around. It's got wheels on the back to make transporting this easy. That's a great feature that you don't see very often. And I'll just kind of talk about the accessories it comes with and some of the product features. So down here you can see that there's a power adapter. So if you wanted to hardwire this in, there's a plug at the top where you would plug this in like so. The great thing about this unit is you don't have to have it plugged in. So you can use this to charge the unit and it'll run off of the internal battery. It also has a remote where you can change all of the functions of the Bluetooth speaker, as you can also do on the top of the unit. It has all the same buttons. It comes with a couple of microphone stands. So if you wanted to put the provided microphones on a stand, and you just have to adjust these like so, and then you can place it on a table, and that way you don't have to hold the microphone. And then on to the next is the two microphones it comes with. They're wireless microphones. It even came with AA batteries for them, and we'll show you these here in a moment. And then there's an instruction guide that comes with the speaker as well. It comes with a USB-C to regular USB adapter. And I'll kind of just take these out of the bag and show you. So this you can plug in to the top of the unit. So you would do it like this. And then you have adapters that it comes with. So this one's a USB-C adapter. So if you wanted to plug it into an iPad, you could do that. Or this adapter is for a lightning connector for your iPhone. So really great if you want to hardwire it and not use the Bluetooth feature and you want to live stream, that's the perfect way to do it. It also comes with earbuds to plug into the aux setting. So these microphones are great because you can mount them on the side when you're not using them. So it comes with these microphone holders. You just place it in like so, and then the same goes for the other side of the unit. It goes up and down for putting them away, and it holds them just like so. To power on the unit, you can either use the provided remote, there's a power button, or I'm just gonna show you the top of the panel here. To power it on, you just press in like that. As you can tell, it's running off of battery.
Bluetooth. And
it's trying to connect Bluetooth right now. So you can connect any Bluetooth device that's enabled for Bluetooth. It runs off of Bluetooth 5.0 connections of the latest Bluetooth technology. You can plug it into any iOS device like an iPad, an iPhone, an Android device like a Samsung phone. You can plug it into a MacBook or even a Windows device running at the lowest iOS, I believe is Windows 7. You can switch between Bluetooth, FM, and live stream, as I stated, and that's using the mode effect. You've got an in and out and a super bass function. So if you're inside, you can put it on in, That's for more indoor bass sounding.
Super bass.
Super bass, if you want a lot of bass.
Out.
Or outdoor bass settings. So you can fine tune this however you'd like. This device does have different lighting modes that you can turn on or off. It's got 10 different lighting modes, which give it a really cool look. So if I wanted to turn it off, I can just press the button next to the power button here, turn off the lights if I didn't want them, or I can turn them back on using this button here to do so. It's got some other ports that I didn't necessarily talk about, like guitar. If you had one, you could plug it in there. You can hardwire microphones in these two jacks as well. The music functionality, you can turn up the music like using this dial, and you can see it changes the LCD screen with the volume. And then for your microphones, you can do the same. So if you want to turn up your mic, you can turn up the dial like so. Speaking of the mic, so just to show you how the microphone works, you just press this button, hold it down for a little bit, and then you can talk in the mic like this. So this is kind of on an echo mode, so you can change this. You can change the pitch if you wanted to by clicking pitch.
Original.
So this is my voice.
Female voice.
You can change it to a female voice.
Hello, hello. Hello, hello.
Male voice.
A male voice, which is a really deep voice.
Girlish.
Another voice, which is kind of like a chipmunk.
Robot.
A robot voice.
Original.
And back to original. So, again, you can adjust the volume. So if I wanted it really loud, I can turn it up or turn it down. So great feature there. What's cool too is you can actually play music and use the microphone at the same time. Or if you wanted the microphone or the music to cut off while you're using the microphone, you can change the functionality on the speaker as well to do that. All right, so I have an iPad here, and it actually has a slot at the top for putting your iPad in, which is really cool. So you can set your iPad in like that and it'll hold, which is great if you wanted to hardwire this. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how I can play music through the iPad having it hardwired. Again, you can do this all Bluetooth as well. So all you do is you take the USB-C connector, plug it in like that, and then on the other end, I'm going to use my USB-C adapter into the regular USB port, like so. And I'm going to plug it in to the iPad, and let's test
Live.
it. And so now it's in live mode, so you can broadcast this again on like TikTok or YouTube, or you can just play music. So those are just some of the basics to get started on this Bluetooth speaker. Again, it's a really cool unit. You can fine tune a lot of the settings using these panels. So like again, if you have a guitar, you can tune it as necessary, monitor high and low settings. There's a lot of different settings as you can see on the panel. Overall, I'm really impressed with this speaker, and I hope you enjoyed the video.